How to use Shazam on Snapchat. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Snapchat is already installed on your device. Also, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. If not, you can head over to your app store and then update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, open the app. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now click on this emoji icon. Now what you want to do is tap and hold on the screen. It will start to scan the image. Similarly, in this effect, swipe all the way to the right. You will get to see this music icon. So let's say the music is playing in the background. All you want to do is tap and hold on the screen in order to scan. Well, once it has been scanned, it will show you the name of the song that has been played. You can also listen to the song by clicking on Listen. You can choose Google Play Music or Spotify in order to listen to the music, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use Shazam on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.